In Business Central, we've got the ability to send a request for a quote off to the vendor. We can actually open the purchase quote we're using in our previous video. From here, we're going to go to print send and click send. Now, this is conditional that you've got your accounts set up. So if you were to search email accounts, the accounts should exist and should have been already set up in your system. Okay. If it's not and you're in a test system, go and add email account. And as you add, hit next and just click the current user and you should be good. Next, next, next through. Okay. So right now we're in the quote and we're going to click send. It's going to give us a pop-up. How am I sending it? Am I sending it to the printer? Am I sending it by email? Am I sending it by file or some form of electronic EDI interface? I'm going to hit yes, prompt for settings. Combine PDF documents is a cool feature. So if you've got multiple documents, it will actually cause those files to be combined into one. We're going to leave that separate and hit OK. And then you get this dialog that loads your standard quote template. And you've got the customer's details. You can show more. You can CC and BCC people. Further down, I can add files from source document, so I can go back to the vendor or off the purchase quote, and I can type freely in here anything that I'd like to type to the party to say, hi, how are you? I hope you're well, etc. Send email, and it's done. And that actually uses your outbox. I keep this. If I escape back and I go home, scroll down, and you're going to see in your email activities, okay, and this will be sent through your activities in here. All right, that's how you send a purchase quote to a vendor.